In the first step in this scenario, a connector is set to an obsolete status as described before. During this time, an ECAD engineer wants to continue editing his design and loads it into ECAD via the integration. He can select his design directly from the ECTR. After checking the loading parameters, he starts the project import. He has not yet realized that one of the components used in the design is obsolete. He has completed his design and now wants to save his final data in SAP. He uses a save function of the integration. During the upload, the BOM comparison dialog comes up and the engineer checks his displaced parts again. He realizes that the part is marked as obsolete. Due to the configuration of the integration, he is not allowed to save his data to SAP. He checks the previously uploaded data in the ECTR again and realizes that the connector selected in the design is actually set as obsolete. Based on this information, he equips his design with a new connector. Now, ready to save the data again, he realizes that the selected connector has not yet been created in SAP. Since he has the authorization to the ECAD engineer decide to synchronize the connector with SAP by himself. To do this, he uses the synchronize part function of the integration. He creates a new material via the integration and synchronizes the data with the ECAD database. Now he is able to save his data. He controls, at least in the BOM comparison dialog, the bill of material. Afterwards, he checked the changed part list in the ECTR. At least he informs the MCAT of the change via an SAP mail.